Section A. All right. Along this video later, I'm going to go through fast because I need to go through a lot of question at the back. But you can pause the video and answer the question, okay, before you go to the next, before you continue the video. All right. So there are 15 questions, including graphic materials and grammatical items. Okay. Read and understand the questions and options carefully and choose the best answer. Okay, so this is the example for graphic materials. Okay, this is what we call graphic materials. Okay, guys, you see the pie chart there. Okay, so I need you to study the pie chart and then you go to the question. Before you go to the answer, you read the question and try to guess what is the answer. Okay, so I'm going through fast, but you can pause the video later. All right. Okay, see, there's an arrow there. It means that is the answer for this question. Okay. Okay, so this would be right. Okay, so the answer has been given to you along the slides later. Okay, remember the grammar rules. All right, so this one I need you to pause and study this notes, okay, later when you watch the video. Okay, a phrasal verbs. This is also a few questions that you need to choose the correct answer for. Okay, it's given to you there, but I'm trying to slow down so that you will be able to answer it by yourself later. Okay. Right? A man of good character always stand up to his principles. Principles di sini bukan bermaksud pengetua, okay? Principle di sini means that kepercayaan dia or apa yang dia percaya di dalam hidupnya, okay? June has a fever and does not feel up to her heavy work today. Some territories have blown up their enemies' cars and trucks. The prisoner suddenly broke away from the two policemen who were holding him. Be careful, don't be carried away by his beautiful word. Carried away means awak terpengaruh. Okay, look at number 1. Stand up maksudnya mempertahankan. Okay, fill up means that try to go to a level or try to finish something. Okay, blown up meletupkan, and then broke away means melarikan diri, and carried away means terpengaruh. Okay, reminder. Okay, this is a reminder. Blacken the letter of your choice of answer sheet provided at the back of the question paper. Answer all questions. If you do not know the answer, make intelligent guess. Okay, intelligent guess di sini means that you need to at least read the question again just to make sure that hoping that the answer that you choose is the correct one. Okay, and please class, next week I want you to blacken, circle or draw the answer, make sure it is circled perfectly. Okay, don't just scribble like what you did in your school exam. Okay, pastikan awak hitamkan tempat yang awak jawapan yang awak pilih itu dengan sempurna. Okay. Okay, what is this? Okay, this will, I think, is the questions that can save you a lot and give you a lot of marks. But remember, please read. Okay, please read slowly, carefully. Okay, this section tests your ability to transfer information correctly. Make sure spelling must be correct. This is what I've always stressed on when you answer information transfers question. Okay, use of capital small letter must be correct. If in the text the word has capital letter or is written with capital letter, you follow by writing down your answer capital letter as well. Okay, jangan ubah apa-apa. Okay, answer should be as short as possible. Don't copy the whole sentences. Okay, jangan salin ayat sepenuhnya. And then where possible, intelligent copying from the stimulus is allowed, not more than 3 words. Okay, you can copy from the text, but make sure it is no more than 3 words. All the answers can be obtained from the stimulus. Stimulus means the passage. Okay, passage yang awak baca itu. Okay, the answer, you can answer all, the answer is all in the text. Okay, don't go and overthinking your answer. Jangan terlalu jangan membazir masa memikirkan jawapan. Okay, sebab jawapannya semua ada dalam petikan. Okay, this is the example for 2017 SPM paper. Okay, so you can have later you can pause the video. Okay, read through and then answer these questions. Okay, you pause it and then you answer the questions. Then the answer is there. But I would like you to try to answer it, okay, yourself before you see the answers. Alright? And please, class, you see the instruction there. Okay, awak tengok arahan dia. Using words from components of a shoe, label the parts below. One of the parts has been labeled. Use no more than 2 words for each blank. Maksudnya, kalau jawapan awak betul, tetapi perkataan awak melebihi daripada 2 patah perkataan, your answer is considered wrong. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, awak tengok ni. For this question, 16 to 20, use only 1 word for each blank. So don't go and put 2 words or 3 words there. Right? And this one is 2 words. Sometimes it's 3 words. So depending on the questions. That's why saya selalu tekankan awak mesti membaca arahan sebelum awak menjawab soalan. Okay? So this is the answers. Right? This is comprehension and summary. Okay, no need to answer incomplete sentences unless you have to due to the nature of the question. Tak perlu menjawab dengan ayat penuh kecuali kalau awak tengok soalan itu dia memerlukan jawapan secara penuh. Okay, no need to answer incomplete sentences. Tidak perlu untuk menjawab dalam ayat penuh. Okay. Copy where possible sentences from the passage to answer any of the questions. You can copy from the passage, from the stimulus. Okay, it doesn't mean that you cannot use the sentence or the words from the passage. Yes, of course you can. Okay, right? So read, pause the video, read, and then try to answer the question. Okay, this is the answer. It's a bit going away from the question. So this is the answer for activity 1 and activity 2, and this is answer for B. Okay, answer for, sorry, this is answer for B. All right. Okay, so pause the video, answer these questions. Okay, all right, are you done? These are the answers. Somehow I feel you don't understand questions, especially kalau jawapan kalau soalan dia macam soalan yang ini nombor 3 ni. Okay, so you need to really understand the text in order for you to answer these questions. Yeah. So now let's go to the summary. Okay, so 10 content points, 10 marks, and then your language will be given 5 marks if you made only a few mistakes or not misspelling, maybe that is also count as language. Okay. Right. In attempting the summary questions, you have to read and understand the passage first. Okay, take your time to understand the passage. Okay, jangan membaca tanpa memahami. Okay, read the question and note the requirements. Okay, baca soalan dan awak gariskan atau awak highlightkan apa yang dia minta. Requirements mean permintaan. Apakah keperluan soalan itu? Identify the relevant points in the specified section in the passage. Okay, awak gariskan atau awak highlightkan poin yang awak rasa awak boleh pakai di dalam summary. Okay, and then write a summary of 130 words including the 10 words given. Use your own words as far as possible. If you can, you use. If cannot, you use the one you see in the passage. Okay. For weak students, just copy the sentences identified as content point into one paragraph. Okay. Change the pronoun if necessary. Pronouns mean kata nama. Okay. He, she, they, them. Okay. Change the pronoun. Okay. But you can copy the sentences in the passage, no problem, right? Okay, this is a step-by-step guide. Okay, identify the lines allowed to be summarized. Okay, from which paragraph? Dia akan bagi tahu kan? Dia akan bagi tahu you can start your summary beginning from which paragraph. Go through line by line, underline the content points, and then copy the content point into one paragraph with the first 10 words given. Okay, the things that you should remember is in attempting the summary question, pick the relevant points from between the stated line only. Okay, awak jangan, kalau dia kata you start from line 20, you don't go to line 19. Okay, awak jangan pergi kepada line 19. Kalau dia kata awak mula dengan line 10, then you start from 10 sampai habis. Okay, you don't start from before line 10. Okay, focus what the question asks. Write in one paragraph only. This is the mistakes made by a lot of students, not only from back classes but also daripada kelas-kelas hadapan. When you write a lot for summary, it doesn't give you points. Okay, summary in bahasa Malaysia mean ringkasan. Okay, awak meringkas. Kalau awak menulis panjang lebih daripada 130 perkataan, itu bukan summary. Okay? Do not Present the points following the sequence as they appear in the passage or text. Awak jangan guna point satu, awak letak terakhir, point terakhir awak letak di hadapan. It needs to go with the flow. Okay, kalau paragraf paragraf itu yang pertama awak jumpa main point dia, awak letak main point itu pada yang pertama. Okay, awak jangan pergi mengucang-acirkan kedudukan content point awak. Okay, do not exceed 130 words. Sini dia dah bagi tahu kan, tak boleh. Count the number of words and write the exact total at the bottom. Do not cheat. Awak kira betul-betul and then awak tulislah di bahagian bawah summary. Change the pronoun if it's a story. Awak bercerita. Okay. Means that kalau petikan itu dia menggunakan I, awak tak boleh guna I pada summary awak. Kalau karakter itu lelaki, a boy, then you use he. Kalau if the character is a girl, then you use she. Okay? So, as if you are retelling a story, awak menceritakan semula. Okay? For average students, just leave the points intelligently from the passage. No need to attempt to use own words. Tak perlu. Awak pakai saja perkataan yang ada di dalam petikan yang disediakan. Okay? Poems refer to notes. Okay, you must remember the keywords and meaning. Okay, living photograph. Kita belajar dua, right? What happened to Lulu and the poison tree? Okay, so, and our novel is Captain Nobody. This is the event that you can write in your last question for novel. Costumes. Who made costumes for nude? Halloween. Who celebrate the Halloween? Okay, what did they do during the Halloween? And then big bass drum. Who helped Cecil to get the big bass drum from the big dustbin or the big garbage bin? Okay, siapa yang menolong Cecil mengambil big bass drum daripada tong sampah besar? And then the robbery, rompakan. The aeroplane, where did the aeroplane land? Before the aeroplane landed at the highway or at the street, what did Newt do? Okay, dia ada kena mengena dengan mascot. What's the name of the mascot? Ferocious, the ferret. And last one, who saved Reggie? Who saved Reggie? From where? Di mana dia menyelamatkan Reggie? Okay, Newt saved Reggie from the water tower. Okay, so this will help you. See, remember COBRAS, cobras. Okay, so for you to remember the key event. Okay, event utama. Okay, now introduction. This is not ours, I think. Okay, this is ours. Okay, so based on the novel Captain Nobody written by Dean Pitchford, class, please remember this is the sentence that you need to write in order to get marks. Okay, based on the novel Captain Nobody written by Dean Pitchford, can be seen from, kalau satu event, tak ada S. Kalau banyak event, these events. Okay, which is, kalau satu event. Which are, kalau banyak event. You put the event here. Which is the costume, the aeroplane, and saving Reggie. You try to memorize at least 2 events. Awak cuba hafal atau awak cuba ingat dua event dan apa yang berlaku semasa kejadian itu. Okay, so firstly, secondly, thirdly, it means that you are talking about event 1. Secondly, you talk about event number 2. And thirdly, you talk about event number 3. Okay, kata kunci soalan. Okay, kata kunci soalan inilah tadi. Ini, this one. What is the event and can be seen from where? Okay, alright. So if you cannot put this sentence, hence from the event we can see, never mind. Okay, as long as the reader know that your event is correct. Okay, yang penting awak punya event atau kejadian itu betul. Okay, and then you go to the last one. In conclusion, there are many events can be seen in the novel Captain Nobody. Kalau awak buat tentang event, if you bercakap tentang characters, in conclusion, many characters can be seen in the novel Captain Nobody. Okay, please remember you need to highlight the question first before you answer the question. Adakah dia meminta awak menulis tentang event? Adakah dia meminta awak menulis tentang moral value or lesson or apa lagi? Character? Okay, so please be reminded that you need to be careful when answering the questions. All right. Okay, so this is the end of our class. All right, so I hope this presentation will help you, maybe not a lot. I hope it helped you a bit. Okay, you can re-watch the video again and again, and it's exam time next week, and here's a big good luck wish to all of you. Thank you.